Help me, please.
Do you want to hurt them at all?
No! No! I just don't want them to hurt me.
Okay.
Stay in your home.
No! I'm nobody's bitch.
The video for today shows a very frustrating situation for police officers. The officers were dispatched on a call about a neighbor dispute where one neighbor had used pepper spray on the other. The officers arrived on scene and began talking to the parties involved and quickly made the determination that the aggressor in this situation suffers from mental illness. The officers offered to take a report in this situation and also stated they would send emails and send referrals to mental health organizations trying to get this man the help he needed. At the end of the day, the ability to solve this problem was not within the officer's realm of control. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
All right. What's going on?
We have an issue going on. I am in the process. I went.
All right. I'll come talk to you second. Tell me.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
We have an issue. Back and forth. It's been going on for weeks, and it's just been escalating. I went to court yesterday. They didn't give me an emergency order for whatever because we're neighbors, and that's not what it's for. He's not like touched me or anything, but he says vulgar things every time we're outside or I'm outside. My family's here from Texas. They got here on the 27th, and this has all just escalated since my family got here. You know, he wants to see his green card. He just goes on and on and on.
Okay.
And it's all verbal, but our property lines, and I did walk to the edge of the property when he maced me. You know, I dared him to mace me, so I guess it's partly my fault, but I'm sick of listening to him, and I do my best to keep my cool, not let it get to me. If this is going on and it's getting worse and worse and worse, we have a hearing on the 27th to present whatever evidence and see if there's how that goes, but I can't afford to move anywhere, you know, I just can't.
We gotta try to find a way to avoid him, man. I mean, don't walk over there. I'm not saying that you're at fault, but don't walk over there.
No, the mace thing is my fault for walking to the edge of the property, no doubt.
I mean, you just got to find a way to avoid him. If he's a moron, he's a moron.
The vulgarity and the
I know.
The way he talks day after day, and it's not stopping. It's going to get worse.
Yeah, I mean, I understand. Like, inappropriate and being an asshole is what it is. You know, it's a crappy situation. I can't discount that, but you got to find a way to not egg him on. You know what I mean?
He shut when they came here. He started calling.
Yeah, there's 11 BB holes on the other side of this new car because he thinks welfare is paying for it because he's an illegal or something, which he has a license. He's born in this country. Blah, blah.
Yeah. Well, he's an idiot.
Know all that. Doesn't care.
I understand that. What's your name, bud?
My name is Mark.
We'll just take another report and document this, okay?
I'm sorry I have to keep calling you guys, but and I shouldn't have let him get to me, but this is just not going to stop. I can't even have a picnic. I can't even let my grandbabies out here in the pool because of this.
Yeah.
You know, and I know you can't do anything, and I know he's just being wordy and whatever, but people are crazy like this. These are the people you hear about on the news that did something to their neighbor or did this or that. This is some of this.
I know, but you got to find a way to exist without. Like, if people are running their mouths, you got to just ignore them.
That's
you know what I mean?
Keep saying.
I know, but he'll get tired of it eventually. He will.
That's what people. I don't think that's true. I don't buy it, but
I know. But you haven't tried that, right? Because it's hard. It's hard when someone's talking shit to not talk shit back. I understand that.
It is difficult.
We've tried to just sit here and not say anything to them, to sit out here and not say nothing all day long.
Constant.
Yeah,
even if
I
you
know.
don't say a word.
Girls can't play outside because he's sitting cussing, making sexual gestures to my wife and Patty. You know, just all kinds of shit.
And you've already got some kind of court thing going with them?
Yes.
All right, we'll document this, and hopefully the court will come up with some kind of solution for you guys, all right?
I hope so.
All right.
Hopefully. Thank you. 'Cause this is ridiculous. All we want is him to leave us alone.
I know.
You know, and I know he drinks all the time. His grandma or his mom owns that house, which I believe it's his grandma, and he thinks that he's above the law. He thinks that he doesn't have to pay for anything.
Yeah.
And this is ridiculous.
Well, it's because he's crazy.
And it all started because I asked him to turn his music down at night. He disrespected me. As far as I'm concerned, he owes me an apology. I'm an elderly lady. I may not look like one, but I'm 68 years old. And, you know, don't have to, I shouldn't have to be aggravated. I come sit on the porch. I can't even do that in the house, on the front porch. I can't because he starts yelling out the windows and everything.
Yeah,
it's stupid.
I understand. Hopefully the court will do something for you, okay? Until then, we're just going to let that process play out, all right? I'm going to get his info. We're going to document this incident too, okay?
And we've had police out here so many times, and so
I know. Well, he's crazy.
and he
let me-
tells me to go in the house and shut up, and he calls me a bitch, and
Okay, let me walk over there and talk to them, okay? I wonder if this is like a MCR follow-up. From everything they're saying, it sounds.
Was that officer?
Well, we're just trying to figure out the best process to follow up on this.
No, they came at me.
Okay.
So did you find it? What was your first name? I'm sorry. Dylan.
What's your last name? I'll come closer so you don't have to holler.
Oh man,
Well, we're
it's
gonna.
all focus on me. I don't even have it on.
Oh, that's not good.
Hey,
No, it's
hey,
not.
Dylan. What's your
Shit.
Dylan? What's your social?
I'm not giving that to
What's
you,
your birthday?
officer.
Okay. What's your phone number?
614.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, the cops and like literally, I got a stack of cops and like,
I know.
yeah,
This is for
everything.
this. This is for this.
We're documenting everything.
I understand, officer.
Give me the rest of your phone number.
Oh,
Okay.
and yeah, I warned him plenty of times. He stepped and he was like, "What are you gonna do?" I was like, "Dude,
So
you
you
see?"
carry mace with you wherever you go?
Well, yes. Officers, I weigh, and don't let them know, I weigh 100. I was at the doctor's last week. I weigh 103 pounds.
Okay.
He came rushing me just the other day on my property. That man, big black man, weighs at least 200, 280. He came rushing me on my property like a.
And this all start because he has people over
No, this it was from him.
with him.
No, because he threatened me, 2 weeks ago. Oh, we got some for you.
Okay.
After they threatened, like Mark and Patty, the true people that live there.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm thinking, yada, yada. What do you have, okay?
Okay. Well, when they're sitting outside, like having family time, are you talking to them?
Well, after the Mexican threatened my life last Friday night,
Well, why do you have to have words with them? Why don't you just call us? Let us deal with it.
I already have.
Okay,
but
then let it
and
go.
It's not been taken care of.
You have court
When-
proceedings, right?
Well, not yet, because they
Okay.
won't even give me the time to even
Okay.
get time to set up a prosecutor.
Well, they said that there's a court hearing coming up.
Well, then cool, but that's theirs, not.
Okay.
no,
Well,
not
go down
mine.
go down to the prosecutor's office.
I'm trying to, but they won't even give me time to even get down there
You can
because
go- you can-
if it's not them starting shit, it's him starting shit.
Okay.
Or them.
You could go anytime. You Monday
I-
through Friday.
I don't have a car right this second.
Okay. I'm sure you can call somebody, get some help, get a bus pass.
Please
There's a
don't
lot of
tell
ways
me
to do that.
something I already know, officer.
Okay.
I'm trying.
I know, but we're telling you that you're gonna have to work a little bit to make this happen.
I
Okay.
know. That's why I'm getting on. I'm on the phone. I was on the phone with Internal Affairs 4 days ago. So all this shit's getting documented.
But Internal Affairs doesn't handle this.
Well,
kind of thing.
especially when 3 of the cops I got investigated that have been here the past 2 weeks when I'm trying to get help. I weigh 103
What kind of
pounds.
help do you need?
Protection from them.
I know, but if you stay in your house,
From
you'll be
them,
fine.
then I'm not gonna stay in my house like some. I own this house.
Mm-hmm.
I own this house.
Okay. Well,
My
listen.
house. If I want to go sit in my front yard, I will.
Okay. But they
Thank you
want
very
they
much.
can sit in their front yard too.
I'm
You
not
just-
gonna sit in their front
No,
yard. Thank you.
they can sit in their front yard. You
Yeah,
can-
but if they talk shit to me, well,
Hey.
they don't have.
Dylan, am
I
I-
don't have that
Dylan.
shit. I don't. Excuse me, I'm
No,
talking.
I was talking. You interrupted me. All right. You got enough of his story that we can document?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remain calm because
Hey,
all
Dylan.
3 of these people have
Dylan,
threatened my life, and you're not helping.
Dylan,
No, we're
listen.
trying to talk to you and get some information, and when we're doing that, you're
But
interrupting me.
when you're not,
and you're yelling over me, and I'm not yelling at you. Have I raised my voice
okay,
once?
then I'll calm. Yes.
Okay. They can sit in their yard and talk, and
I
you can
know.
sit in your yard and
And
talk.
I do.
I know, but you just don't need to be jaw-jacking with them, because I know that's what you're doing.
But no, the thing is, they do it first, and I
Okay,
ain't
well then,
nobody's bitch. I'm
you-
going to do it right back.
Then don't do it right back. That's what I just told them too.
But
Because they're saying the same thing you're saying. They're
I
saying,
know they are.
okay,
They're
I know, but
lying.
we're not going to get in the
They're-
middle of that.
One thing,
Dylan,
look, Mark has spent literally mad time in the penitentiary for selling methamphetamine. Okay?
the old guy has?
Yeah, the old guy, Mark, the dude I just based. I have
Okay.
no respect for him. He poisoned my community for years to where
Okay.
he spent mad time for it. And Patty, she didn't get busted. She held down the fort, but she was one of the main pushers. I have lost family to
Okay.
crack, heroin, and drugs. I've never, ever done one of them
You said-
because of that reason. And these motherfucking assholes, I don't care if they're retired now and he's out of fucking the big house, but he done threatened to kill me many a times. So I have no respect for this piece of shit, let alone that piece of shit. He just moved in 4 months ago, and he thinks I've been here 10 years, and he thinks he's gonna be king of the fucking neighborhood over my dead body. And them, they're 23-year-old meth heads. The mom sells it to them, and the dad, I'm pretty sure, is a cooker. Okay? If nobody can help me, I've been paying taxes since I was 14 years old, officers. Please help!
Hey, Dylan, don't scream at us, okay?
I'm not screaming.
Here's what we're going to
I'm
do.
not screaming at you. I'm screaming at the video cams. Help me, please.
Do you want to hurt them at all?
No, I just don't want them to hurt me.
Okay.
Stay in your home.
No, I'm nobody's bitch.
Okay.
This
Well,
is my house. I paid great money for it.
Dylan.
I've been here years,
When-
way before any of them.
when things escalate, just go inside, okay? You can hang out outside
Well,
all
that's
you
what
want.
I did
Well,
after
then-
they crossed into
Okay.
my yard. I went shh, and went inside and called you.
Okay, well, just
Was
do
that
it.
not the right thing to do,
No,
officer?
it is, but you should have done it maybe a little bit sooner, okay?
How not sooner? I called you the second
I
it
know.
happened.
Dylan, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a report, and we're going
Yes,
to document this
sir.
again, okay? You've had many reports taken. We're going to do another one.
Please,
I'm going to recommend that you go down to the prosecutor's office and follow up, okay?
as soon as
um,
possible, right?
Yeah, yes. And we will...
I'm not going to go down there because I don't want nobody
Listen,
putting me in
the other thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna send some emails to some folks and see if we can get someone to come out and talk to you, maybe give you some more help. okay.
Oh, well, no, literally, like what kind of help?
I don't know. We got some resources. We're gonna see what we can do for you. Okay.
I mean, what kind of, tell me because I'm
help-
already,
to help you deal with the situation.
like, I'm like literally, like, I've already, like, I'm talking to Net here just to try to, like, I've already got, like, a psychiatrist, but I'm trying to talk to more, I mean, just somebody to talk
Okay.
to.
Well, we can send some from Netcare out to your house too.
Oh, no, I already have them out here today.
They're out here today.
Well, I asked one of them to come out just to kind of.
Okay.
I asked.
Well, we'll follow up with
You
them
know,
and make sure
no,
that they do
you
that.
don't have to follow up with.
What's our
or
job?
anything.
Yeah, that's what we're
That's
gonna
our
do.
job.
But we're not
No,
gonna.
don't do that.
Dylan,
And
we're
I
not
don't
gonna
like her,
solve
so
anything
please,
right now?
If that's one of the ones that were out here the other night, I don't want her to step foot
That's
on
fine.
my property.
Hey, Dylan, we've got everything we need. We're gonna take off now.
Thank you very much,
All right, man.
officer. You gentlemen have been cool.
All right.
I like
Thank you,
guys,
man.
so, Thanks. Next time I talk to Technical Affairs, I'll give them a good word. Were you
All right,
here the other night?
I work daylight, so it would have been nighttime.
Okay, then you kind of got a little doppelganger too. Okay, and then she's cool, officers. Yeah.
All right. All right. Try to stay inside.
Officers.
I'm glad we could help you, Dylan.
Take care, man.
I'm glad we could help you.
We're also gonna have Netcare come out and follow up with him.
We're gonna do what?
We're gonna have Netcare come out and follow up with him. They might be able to get him some help that he needs.
Oh my gosh.
All right. We're gonna document this. We're gonna call them. I can't promise what they're gonna do because we don't control, but we're gonna make that recommendation as well. All right.
I appreciate it, guys.
So if you have another problem, just call us.
Thanks.
All right, man.
Have a good